Hello and welcome to another tool. Today we're going to talk about landings. Landings was created by Nilan. That was actually my guest in my newsletter not many weeks ago. Nilan talked about his project, his job, uh, why he decided to start creating his own projects, and it was like really nice to see the to read Nilan interview. This project landings, it's landing page example. I think for someone like me that lacks of and having design good design ideas when building a project, here it's a great example to have those ideas. So Neon basically have these landing pages that other people make it, and he has the screenshot of all of them and then the link. So let's see, for example, since when it was added, what is the color palette? Then, okay, this is pretty simple. Let's go to a different one. This one also. And you have the screenshots of the landing page, and you can get full of ideas by seeing his website landings.dev. Here you can go to the page of the landing page that you are seeing, and as Nilan is putting more and more landing pages here, you can submit your own. So if you can put your website here, you can submit it, and then Nilan's gonna check to edit. You can search by color. So let's see, by yellow, they only have one. If you put yellow and green, shows up a little bit more. So yes, if you are looking for inspiration for your next landing page, landings.dev is the place to go. See you next time. Bye.